Get away from it.
Call the fire department. Yeah. Well, you're near it, so it's gonna blow up.
You know, it's called a gas tank.
That's fireworks.
Hey, Jenny. Hey. We got a bigger problem. The hose.
Where's the
That's not that bad. That's a race vehicle. I didn't even drive the thing. Goddamn 250. I can use that something. Fucking horseshit. Man. Terrible day, brother.
What the hell happened?
Like, how did?
I was bored.
Oh no, man.
So you set the Jeep on fire?
Yeah, it just got hot.
It got that hot, and it just caught itself on fire.
Yep. Well,
They even got food here?
That's awesome.
right? Well, so much for the grass. Hey, let's run this hose over that side.
Those tires are gonna explode too.
Well, that's the ghettoest fucking setup I've ever seen. No wonder it snapped out of the wall. It's 1-inch PVC pipe. Watch out, I can't get this thing wet.
Get everybody to the front of the house. Kids to the front of the house.
Go!
Go inside, dude.
Hey, BB, call. Some asshole bought this vehicle and caught it on fire in the front yard.
Did anybody call the fire department yet?
What?
You got one.
I know, but we have no water because they busted the water out the side of the
Well, how are
house.
we going to drink water? We're going to dehydrate.
It's gonna blow up anyway.
It already blew up.
Done.
Oh no, it's not done.
It can happen now.
No, it already blew up. Because it went from a little fire to a lot of fire. So if anything was going to blow, I don't know.
No, the gas tank and the tires will all explode eventually.
As dry as it is, your grass is gonna spray.
Yeah, the field's gonna be on fire.
Take it from the fireman.
Yeah.
Well, we know Dylan knows about that.
Nobody wants to pick up a cell phone and call.
I'm taping it. Call the fire department. Jack's calling me. This tree is going to protect me from any explosion.
Hey,
It's on fire! And he breathes!
Radiator, Jill.
Yeah! This is the best $500 firework we ever bought! Blowing up cars and grass! It would have been nasty if I didn't use grass yesterday. Has everybody called the...
Yes, they've called the fire department.
Woo!
They called the
Cheers,
fire
grab some
department.
whiskey. I'm gonna start drinking.
It's still not
Jill,
done.
I got Tanner in the house.
He's in there with him, isn't he?
Alright, who wants to play the game? Play quarters. Whoever loses has to run up and touch the hood.
Shut your mouth, I'm so gonna fucking punch you.
Bring it, Jill. Can't wait. Make my day any better.
Matt, stop. Welcome. How are you today?
It was awesome. I mean, I was like, Jake's like, is something on fire? I was like, it's the Jeep on fire. He's like, no, yeah. It's already on fire and you just bought it.
Somebody's dead or something.
By the way, I'm Jenny's friend, Jennifer.
Yeah, Jennifer, this is Jake. Dad.
Hey. And that's my husband over there, Ken.
They've heard stories about our family. They didn't know they were going to get this kind of a show.
Oh, man.
welcome.
Oh, she's in a fucking panic.
Really?
I know what I'll do.
Really? You think it's funny that your kids are here and you're gonna blow up a goddamn vehicle?
Well, that was the fucking... Hey, Jill, you motherfucker.
Man,
that wasn't the
stop.
fucking intention, you fucking cunt.
Stop!
Come here, I'm gonna fucking punch you in the fucking teeth.
Stop! No!
Bitch. I wanna hear a fucking fat ass whining. Stop! This ain't even a fucking big deal. kiss the fucking engine? Tell her to put that motherfucker on lock. Put him in the fucking bed. I didn't start this. Fire team 2! Get my face. Punch you in the mouth. Get the fuck away from me. I'm not doing anything wrong. You think I caught it on fire on purpose?
I didn't yell at you. I said stop with the mouth.
I was. She was running her fucking mouth.
I know. She's upset. Shut up.
God damn.
We didn't pull the hose out of the house just for everyone.
Yeah, that shit was a 1-inch pipe. It should have broke. That was gonna happen anyways.
Fire team 2, advance.
Back
I
up, bro.
got all of
Crank
this
that
on
water on.
tape.
Let's do this. Oh, let me do it.
What's on your...
You got to drive it. I want to put out the fire. Get a picture. This is going on Facebook. I'm in the south. I'm in the Say, get this on camera. Stop arrived again.
I'm coming sick because your head is.
Welcome to the family.
Huh?
So you had it on your hair.
And it's now on your head.
Yeah.
You guys ever watch Backdraft? That's how I feel right now.
We have to find you a chick you can go bang on top of the fire truck.
Hey, where's my hose? Hey, fireman, I got a kick in the hose. Undo me. Get on that.
Out of it. I don't know if we're welcome to stay over there anymore. Why? She took off with all the children and left.
Anybody have a dime out?
All of her
There's some
children.
of them over there, too.
She took off with Dylan and Tanner. Told them to give them
She's
the
not
phone.
yet. She'll be soon. She'll be in-law, but she's not yet. So she has an excuse right now. I'm married into the family. She isn't yet.
Not yet.
We didn't even get to drive.
Are you still sure of this?
Yeah.
I think you brought her here on the wrong day to have already proposed.
Hell no. This is like awesome. I'm taping this whole thing.
People usually have to pay for this
I
shit.
got the argument and everything.
Yeah, people usually have to pay for this shit.
This shit's going on
What the fuck?
Facebook.
What kind of entertainment is this?
I know our family just usually spraying it fire on the jack.
Hey, Matt, there's a little fire on bottom there. Little hose on fire.
The hose? Oh.
I'm gonna take another bath.
I need to get up there.
Hey, Jack. I got extremely dizzy. This feels delicious. Who needs bath salts? Little vehicles over there.
Now that it's out.
We have our own TV show yet? Matt's gonna blow up.
Something's sparking from underneath.
We called 911 like we couldn't put this stuff out.
Oh, it'll take them like 2 hours to get here.
Someone call them back and tell them they can stay at home drinking beer.
You don't want to bother there for us.
Somebody want to call the fire department and tell them they can
Hey,
stay at
let's
home?
come over here at that crowbar.
Hey.
Try to get this hood up.
Are you kidding me? I ain't touching that thing. They got the fire department coming. Let them worry about it.
Oh, look how hot the it's burning the block. Look at this metal glowing. Man, that is
That's
nice.
magnesium, not.
Is that what that is? Well, I guess we can turn this into the new fire pit and brick it off since it already ate up the grass.
Hey, that grass will grow back greener than it was.
Yep.
There's lots of fun in this family. We're going to end up having to spray water on it for 30 minutes before it ever get out.
I fit all these guys perfectly. I drove that whole thing home. Laurel pulled up in the driveway. We put oil and antifreeze in it. Matt got behind the wheel and it blew up. No, we didn't even like gas it. We didn't even get on it. No. We didn't even get the jump baja shit. No.
That's a little bit of an electrical fire mix with it's green, a little bit of blue.
Magnesium.
There's some white going on.
That is what we call a redneck snake.
Look, it's so colorful.
Wow. Look, yes, it's a snake.
4th of July, we got the fireworks.
Woo!
It looks like a ghetto sparkler. Not really ghetto.
You should have done this at night.
We didn't know it was going to blow up. Why would you would have?
Yeah. I mean, fuck, do it around the
Better than my
floor.
paint job I
Dude, where's the
started with.
crowbar in here? Your cousin's a damn carpenter, and he doesn't have a fucking crowbar?
I'm not getting up and touching that hood. That thing's got to be hot as fish.
That's when you get a crowbar.
No, you don't understand. That hood just doesn't come up. We just spent 30 minutes trying to get it.
They just took a block and slammed it down.
Who is this?
There's the fire department. No fire truck, but you got the fire department.
That's the fire department for down here.
South Alabama, baby. Gotta love it.
They're volunteer fire department.
We fill up it with water.
Charlie.
The other guy's like, "Psh, I'm leaving."
Well, you didn't have your turn out, dear.
The engine.
You guys can go back and have a beer. The magnesium's burning. We'll keep it put out.
Just turned around and headed out. Yeah, we're just keeping it cool down for you. See,
Here goes the regular truck.
Fuck.
can I get one of those sweet hats for Facebook purposes?
I love it. I love him. God.
I got you a shirt with some bow tie with like Magic Mike.
There you go.
What? I wonder why Jill left. It was okay. Like, she's got mad. I was hoping they'd get into like a fist fight. It would have been even better. What is all over your head? It is all over his street.
Oh hell! Call the fire department. This one's out of control. Don't put it out with your boots. Don't put it out with your boots. Oh, don't tell me my business, devil woman.
Oh my God.
Jenny, where did Jill go?
She took loaded up her kids and went home.
Kids. Whoa.
Yeah, Dylan and Tanner.
Dylan too. Hers. Kids. I'm like, when did she have another one? Does that we know about this?
Well, man, you gotta. She's upset. Respect that she's upset. Hey, Ash.
I'll give her a hug.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. What you doing?
Here's what I say about
I'm filming this.
I've been upset.
I'm filming this.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You want to see upset?
Hey, Dick.
Yeah, we'll get it open. They can get it open. Right in the water hose right here by the headlight. No, right there by the headlight. What kind of fireman are you? My picture of my kids.
Yes, he is. She said, "Man, so retarded." I said, "Yes, he is."
You got this, Ash? Feed him the hose. Feed him the hose.
A great fireman.
What to do on a South Alabama? What do you do on a Saturday? Well, $140 vehicle. We get at least we got a 50 miles. Yeah. That's a win situation. Let's go to lunch.
Here comes the
You guys ready for some beef Brady's? I know Jake's thinking like me. Is there food here?
Exactly.
Who cares the fire? I'm hungry. Last time I ate was like 6. I'm hurting.
I didn't even know you guys were here. I look out the window and all I see.
Yeah, Jake's got the idea. Let's pull up the chairs. Where's all the beers at Jill and Selby's house? Right.
Man, it is too hot for a fire.